Hello everyone, today I am going to show you the dissection dish for doing simple dissections in laboratory by both students as well as the professionals. The dissection dish has a width of 100 mm, height of 20 mm. After the foam, the clearance is 14 mm. So essentially, the dissection dish that we are looking at here can be used for doing the dissections of small sample insects or animals. The dissection dish is made up of foam. Unlike wax, it doesn't require any regular maintenance. Upon repeated cleaning, the foam does take its shape without doing any maintenance, unlike wax. The dissection dish has plastic bottom. You can take the foam out for the regular maintenance. You can use any kind of laboratory chemicals to wash the foam surface after use. The dish can be used for the repeated experiments, and after each of the experiments, the dissection dish can be maintained just for washing the tap water. Any number of cleanings can be done. It doesn't take any permanent shapes, unlike in the wax dissection pans. The only disadvantage of this dissection dish is the size of the animal or an insect or any other specimen that it can cover. The rest of things are perfect for regular dissections in lab. Thanks for watching.